Ini kita tes suara dulu karena nggak tahu, aku jarang banget pakai mikrofon ini to be honest.
Oh ya?
Sure, Carly Pop. Welcome
To
the Kembar Kembir Show. Udah capek kan? Our first podcast kind of thing.
it's called the Kembar Kembar Show for a reason.
Lupa. Kan bahasa Indonesia.
Tapi kan kayak kalau lagi ngomong serius gitu,
Boleh
kita
lah
lebih
ya.
nyaman bilingual kan. Jadi terserah nanti mau pakai bahasa apa, nanti ada kayak subtitle-nya gitu.
Siapa yang mau ngedit kau?
Tidak.
Capek
Bismillah
loh.
aja.
Capcut, pakai capcut aja nanti capcut.
Jadi kita mau ngomongin apa dulu nih, Bo? Mungkin ini kita berapa menit sih sebenarnya targetnya?
Terserah, 10, 20, 30, 100, terserah.
Nanti yang di trim dan di posting yang
Yang
clickbait,
bagus-bagus.
yang clickbait aja. 2 detik ya
Udah,
udah.
benolski kita.
Nggak, dari tadi kan aku udah nanya ya.
Oh,
Tahu lah, tektoknya kurang aja.
Kan si pilot project.
Oh ya, oke.
Maaf ya guys, kurang briefing.
Sebenarnya gini, TKKS ini kan kita pengen buatnya ada ya kan kita ngobrolnya berdua.
Tapi kok kau tahan napasan? Kok kau kayak sebenarnya ini kayak 60 menit kayak
Kita mau ngejelas. Aku tuh baru inget loh, buat kenapa kita nggak jadi buat podcast. Dia inget gak dulu kita mau buat cover, terus kayak
kira gak aja.
sampai nangis ya. Ternyata emang panas ya.
Enggak sih, ini karena kita lucu aja. Jadi kayak energi.
Ya udah fokus.
Oh, iya.
Nyit gitu ya nanti. Jadi intinya kita buat podcast ini awalnya kan gara-gara yaudah kita buat aja, kita pengen ngomongin keseharian kita sebagai corporate girly. Terus sebagai apa lagi kan kayaknya tajuknya multifaceted person ya. Jadi apa sih yang sebenarnya kita pengen share di dalam podcast ini?
Jadi sebenarnya benar yang Nana bilang barusan, kita tuh sebenarnya pengen share tentang our life lah ya. Kan kita
Sebenarnya nggak penting-penting
sebenarnya
banget
nggak penting.
juga.
Sebenarnya our life itu kayak mungkin ada, mungkin enggak ada yang mau lihat, tapi ya dokumentasi aja gitu loh.
Betul.
Terus ngobrol-ngobrol sekaligus kita kan kayak silaturahmi, menjaga kasih sayang dan cinta kasih. Takut. Jadi memang sebenarnya lebih ngobrol. Terus nanti kalau misalnya ada yang mau lihat, alhamdulillah. Kalau misalnya nggak, ini bisa jadi dokumentasi kita buat nantinya gitu kan. Sebenarnya menurut aku sih gitu.
Gitu.
Iya.
Iya betul.
Jadi sebagai multifaceted person juga sampai muncul urusan. Sebagai multifaceted mungkin lebih ke bukan multifaceted kali ya. Mungkin lebih kayak BU aja. Jadi
semuanya dikerjain.
semuanya dikerjain. Jadi corporate girly iya. Business entrepreneur, women juga, terus sekarang lagi mencoba menjadi content creator, semoga istiqomah.
Biasanya kayak every Saturday tapi cuma 4 aja
Iya,
gitu.
cuma 4
Saturday yang mana nggak tahu.
Benar. Jadi mungkin ini adalah our attempt juga kali ya, karena we've tried this for like a while. Kita sering banget mencoba ini, tapi kept on trying to do new channels and all that ya nggak sih? Karena mungkin we really didn't have the time aja gitu nggak sih Gun, untuk
I think so. I think at one point in our lives kita memang kan harus mengikuti arus ya. Paham nggak
Wow.
maksud gue? Kayak ya udah kayak dulu sih kita sekolah and then we attended like several extracurriculars. Baru abis itu kita kuliah gitu kan. And we didn't really have time to like sit down and talk what we want to do. Terus habis itu kita ya udah sekarang udah kerja, sudah masing-masing berkeluarga.
Yeah.
Walaupun bukan hal yang bagus untuk ditiru dalam arti if you want to start something just start now. Tapi ternyata kita menunggu waktu yang cukup lama gitu. Kayak it took us quite some time to actually start this.
Tapi I think it's also good juga nggak sih, maksudnya of course banyak yang umur 16 mencoba and then like suddenly they went big gitu. Cuman I think the fact that we have been trying, failing, and then sekarang trying again and then becoming istiqomah, mungkin we've learned a lot lah during our journey. Dan mungkin with that being said, aku ngerasa mungkin kita bisa lebih prioritize what we really want to do in life gitu loh.
But what you really want to do in life?
Kayaknya tuh bisa jadi kayak gimana ya bunda waktu. Oke, jadi itu sih sebenarnya backgroundnya kenapa kita pengen bikin The Kembar-Kembir Show. Lebih ke to document our life, terus untuk menjaga silaturahmi juga. Dan mungkin di silaturahmi itu kita bisa buat lebih banyak teman during the journey. Kita bisa bersilaturahmi dengan orang-orang yang menonton this
If
podcast. If any. Oh, fun fact, Kembar-Kembir Show itu nama yang udah kesekian kalinya. It wasn't our first choice. Dulu tuh kita pernah bikin Bulan Enana Show. Kepikiran doang
just
ya?
Bulan Enana.
Oh,
though,
just
without
Bulan
the
Enana.
show.
Terus Tales of Twins. Do you remember?
Oh my God, yes. Abis itu ada lagi.
Nggak, kita tuh cuman bikin akun Tales of Twins. Tapi no posting, no nothing.
It was on Twitter. I actually sacrificed my account
For that.
for that, and then nothing.
No nothing, betul. Terus apa lagi di satu lagi?
Satu lagi, tapi kayak witch gitu nggak sih? It was like
Oh,
our
ada yang
Tumblr.
Tales of Two.
Yeah, but it was like our Tumblr era anyway. Like it was
Iya
back
sih, that was like
way back, like
kayak high
in
school.
2010.
Mhm. Sekarang we're 26 and we are now corporate girlies and entrepreneurs and content creators.
But are we though?
Are we though? I think maybe you can also talk about who you are as a person.
Like right now?
I think so. I think it's good.
But I was trying to like mungkin lebih menggali lebih dalam tentang si TKKS ini in terms of tadi kan kamu bilang kayak this is how we want to document our lives. Terus probably this is the path that we want to take to maintain our silaturahmi gitu kan. But also what's important, I think, my vision on this channel podcast itu adalah, you know how so many people out there that we see on social media or any other platforms that they try to show like all the good things in their lives, which is fair. Tapi aku pengen kayak we are mediocres, we are just two mediocres, like ordinary people. We are not there yet. And we want to show people that this is the actual thing that you need to take, you know, like you know, like being a corporate girl, like we hope that maybe we inspire you in any sort kind of way. Atau kalau memang nggak nge-inspire, you know, just stop like comparing yourselves karena we are in this rat race together, you know, like semuanya kita pasti berusaha untuk yang terbaik, tapi the result is not always comes that fast, right? Kayak pasti akan ada waktu dan fase di mana kita harus melakukan banyak hal, like what we said, like trial and errors, probably like took 10 years to actually start doing this. Dan itu semua wajar dan normal. So we want to document and share our ordinary lives, mediocre lives, corporate girlies whatsoever, and we hope that it's going to inspire you in so many ways.
Panas.
Begitulah.
I agree sih, karena mungkin to name a few ya, mungkin gak usah di name lah ya, takut kena somasi. Tapi mungkin banyak ketawa.
Iya.
Gak usah ada gitu-gitunya.
To name a few, but not name.
To name a few, but to not name a few. Mungkin banyak tuh dari sekarang itu, ada juga sih sebenarnya podcast yang dari manusia biasa, yang corporate people sebenarnya banyak juga. Cuman yang beken itu memang adalah orang-orang yang dari sana itu sebenarnya udah terkenal. Mungkin celebrities atau a businessman, kayak well-known people yang mungkin udah tidak relatable lagi. Mungkin memang masih motivating ya, karena what they are saying are actually good, are actually good and motivating. Cuman what we really want to see, and that's why what we really want to do adalah to tell you guys that no one's alone in this rat race. We're trying our best, dan I think we just try to document our life and you know, be all that.
But probably people would wonder, Bu, kayak kenapa sih The Kembar-Kembir Show? Are we twins? But are we though? Like, come to the camera closer.
I am bigger. but I am also way prettier. According to myself.
But we are yes, we're twins.
But yes, we're twins.
Hence the kembar-kembir show because kembar adalah kembar and kembir adalah
Kembir.
suatu kata aksesoris yang kayak karena kalau
Kok bunyinya besar deh.
kita buat kayak
Kembar, kembir.
kembir.
Karena kan
dua.
dua. You're in my
Ya udah gitulah intinya.
Oke, sebenarnya the name The Kembar Kembir Show mungkin historinya itu nggak seperti itu. Kalian ingat nggak?
Pokoknya it was like an Instagram story terus kayak yang, hi, you said something like hi, welcome to the Kembar-Kembir show, right?
Iya, terus kemarin waktu kita mikirin mau pakai nama apa ya gitu, apakah do we use our names?
Oke, FYI, kayak we have so many great ideas, tapi selalu bukan terhenti ya, tapi kayak we took so much time untuk menentukan namanya. Jadi
I'm not the guy if you want to find the name.
Jadi mereka selalu bilang kayak, nah coba cariin nama, but you know ideas don't come like that easily, right? Kayak bentar dulu, give me some time. Tapi mereka udah kayak ngomong di grup gitu kan kayak gimana kalau ini, and then there's no good names, bahkan jadi nyablak banget sampai ke
hey jangan dibilang
the unimaginable.
the unimaginable, benar.
Gitu. Jadi akhirnya gimana tadi ke Kembar-Kembir show?
Ya jadi sebenarnya it was an Instagram story. Dan itu benar-benar kayak one Instagram story years ago, maybe like 5 to 6 years ago.
Yeah.
Tapi kemarin when we wanted to name it, aku kayak
Ya
udah just do it the Kembar-Kembir show. Maybe that was a sign.
Yeah.
Terus Nana in the beginning was like, karena she's actually you're really good at naming things, right? Kayak Mahija, Bigashi, Sisata,
Even Andamaris was my name.
Andamaris,
Asa Iskaya.
Race Reason.
Yeah, yeah.
She's really good at naming things. Me, on the other hand, tidak bagus sama sekali. Jadi ya, hai. Jadi
Enggak,
memang-
bukan ngejahat gitu, cuman gini, when I think of something, kan I want it to be like catchy tapi simple, right? Kayak mungkin kalau other brands mungkin kayak Skims. Bahkan sekarang ada KHY yang punyanya Kim Kardashian kind of thing. Terus kayak Rhode Skincare, like there are so many, kayak ya udah satu kata, one sentence, one word only gitu kan. Nah terus aku mikirnya tuh kalau The Kembar-Kembir Show itu kayak nggak cuman how it sounds, mungkin itu catchy kayak itu loh The Kembar-Kembir Show, but it's also too long. Kayak how do we want to put it in our logo atau visuals gitu. Bahkan handle Instagram itu kayak The Kembar-Kembir Show, like people are not going to take that much time to actually type that. Maka jadi kita kayak ya udah nggak apa-apa The Kembar-Kembir Show. I will think of the logo and then the Instagram handle cuman PKK Spot doang. So that's the story of behind the PKK Spot.
Yeah.
But thank you though
For what?
giving me the credit because you know like I'm really good at names.
But not my type of names though, karena I don't know though. I really do like the Kembar-Kembir Show. It's like funny, catchy, dan langsung jelas gitu kayak who they
Yeah,
are,
yeah.
ngerti kan? Mungkin other ideas that I might explore itu kayak si kembar-kembir atau
Yeah.
dua kembar-kembir, you know, like stuff like that. Cuman I think the kembar-kembir part is quite funny, I think. Udah sih mengenai TKKS itu kayaknya udah.
Ya udah, kenapa kita make this show? Why the name is The Kembar-Kembir? Are we twins? But probably before karena kan kita sebenarnya kayaknya aim-nya 1 jam lah ya. Ini udah berapa menit sih?
15 menit 37, 38,
40 menit lagi kita berbicara. Although I like to talk, karena beda kan, Bu. Kayak kalau kita ngobrol yang terlalu banyak intermezzo
Sama sih,
gitu.
sama.
Tapi kan kayak kita harus mikir gitu nggak sih kayak apa ya yang akan jadi clickbait kemudian.
Sih, aku rasa semua percakapan dari clickbait.
Oke, lanjut. Jadi yang aku mau mungkin bahas adalah siapa sih kamu? How are you there to speak in this podcast? Kayak what is your credibility? What you're doing?
Aku Bulan. Aku
My name is Bulan. I graduated from kayak mau interview ya.
Aku Bulan, aku kembaran kamu.